Have you read the notice about the meeting?
Oh yeah, I do. Should we go together?
Sure.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. This is FARAHEEN. She is a representative from Human Resource Department. So as you know, we have been facing a decline in our union membership. We must understand the reason behind this and work together to understand this issue. This is a critical issue that requires our immediate attention. A collaborative approach is the best way to address this challenge.
So it's important that we maintain open lines communication. So please feel free to express your thought and concerns. My role today is to help ensure that this conversation remain respectful and productive.
Okay, as you can see in the statistic here, in 2022, about 50% of the employees joined the trade union, but it starts to decline in 2023, which about only 35% employees that joined the trade union. While in 2024, around approximately 20% of the employees joined the trade union. So what could be the underlying issue that causing this trend?
Hi, I am representative of the members of the trade union. Here I attend this meeting is to deliver what kind of issues arising within the employees causing this issue to arise. And one of the factors I believe happens is due to change in the job market. This is means by one employee don't have a solid job which makes them a freelancer. By being a freelancer, they unsure of an union that can represent them as a freelancer sector.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to raise issues related to trade unions. Okay, my problem is about authoritarianism. As you know, employers have powers over their companies. Okay, with that, the employers try to slow down or try to abolish the trade union. Employers can create anti-union policies, anti-union campaign, and threaten the employees not to join a trade union. If the employees join the trade union, the employer threat them by fired them.
For me, I don't find the need to join a trade union because I already have a very good communication between my colleague and my managers. So in this case, I think union create unnecessary conflict in an environment where everyone is supposed to be treated equally.
Yeah, I think the decline of trade union membership is due to lack of awareness among employees about the role and benefits of the unions. Many workers, especially younger generation, need to fully understand how the union advocate for their right, improve working conditions and also secure fair wage. This lack of knowledge leads to limited engagement with union activity and diminish their interest.
Thank you for your perspective. Now, let's brainstorm some solutions. One solution is to reach them and provide them with benefits.
Thank you, Ms. Munirah, for having me in this meeting. I totally agree with Ms. Munirah because with the trade union, it can provide a fair treatment for freelancers for their salaries to pay on time and advocate for their fair treatment. Not only that, the union can act as collective voice to ensure the freelancer enter into the legal contract. Not only that, the union can act as collective voice to ensure the freelancer enter into a fair agreement. Because many freelancers lack of expertise to negotiate contract effectively.
The union could act as a collective voice, advocating for freelancers' rights and providing support during dispute. This backing will empower freelancers to stand firm without fearing client retaliation or job loss, as they know the union is there and to support them.
Okay, so for authoritarian issue, let me remind you that the Section 4, Subsection 1 of the Trade Union Act has provided that every worker has the right to join and also to form a trade union without any interference or threat from the employer. It is their fundamental right and any attempt to threaten, intimidate and also retaliate against worker for union activities are illegal. Employees are protected by the law and anti-union practices can result in legal representation or legal consequences for the employer.
You know what? I have heard about this exact section in the Trade Union Act. In fact, if the employers are against this section, they are engaging in unlawful conduct. Such actions may result in legal consequences like fines, penalties, or being subject to unlawful bad feel by the employers or the trade union itself. After all of these actions will only bring damages to the employer's reputation, strain industrial relations, and only lead to the protests, strikes, and loss of trust among the workforce.
That's an excellent point, Ms. Putri. I have an example of the case for RSP Bank, which is the bank implemented a new salary and grading systems that unfairly targeted the union members. Although the industrial court ruled in favor of the unions, the High Court later overturned the decisions. This case shows how hard it can be for workers to get justice. It also reminds us why it's important to fight for workers' rights.
Okay, thank you for the insightful explanation regarding Section 4, Subsection 1, Tasha. Okay, me as an employee must use the right wisely to join the trade union without being scared of employer.
Regarding the problems about strong company culture, I can say that union can also address issues like workplace safety and protections. for the unfair treatments. For example, in the cases of MAB and NUFEM, when they face financial struggles, NUFEM act quickly to defend their rights. So both parties emphasize that the common goal is to ensure the passengers' protection and maintaining Malaysian airline global reputation.
That's true, because I have experience with unsolved problems, even though I've already told the manager, but it was just a small matter, so I did not take it to the head.
I understand your upsetness, Akif. I hope there is no further mistreated between employer and employees, just like how Mr. FAKHRUL has told us.
Ensure employees understand a company culture of fairness can shift. When leadership changes, these values may be deleted. So having a union ensure that employees' interests are being represented no matter what. Okay, for now we have a smooth discussion about this issue. Let's continue it that way with lack of awareness issue.
To continue the discussion, I think it is necessary for the employees to reach the younger employees through social media. We all know that all the youngsters are on social media platforms, just like Miss Natasha has mentioned. This is necessary to reach them so that they know the importance of trade union, as good as they could bond a partnership with the employer and change their perspective that employees is someone that to ask around and bossing around, and just to work with them together solving problems in workplace.
Regarding education, trade union may organize workshop or campaigns to explain the benefits or the advantages of union membership and can help address awareness issues among potential members. In addition, arrange meeting or forum where union members and non-union members can openly discuss about the issues or the problem and also the advantages of union representation that can foster better understanding and collaboration.
I agree that leveraging on social media and digital platforms like TikTok and also Instagram to share relatable contents such as success stories of workplace improvement achieved through unions is a powerful strategy. Collaboration with employers is also essential to show that unions are able to enhance workplace rather than disrupt them. Hosting open forums where union members and non-union members can discuss workplace concern, foster understanding and also collaboration as seen in MTUC's successful labor awareness initiatives.
I welcome all the good ideas and suggestions. However, please remember that everything must be complied with the labor laws and any applicable collective bargaining agreements. So, if there's anything that needs legal interpretation, we can have a lawyer review the situation.
Before we end this meeting, we can conclude that being a union member can benefit us. One of the primary benefits of being union membership is collective bargaining power. As we know, union bargain for better wages, working conditions and benefits. This collective strength help workers achieve results that are hard to achieve individually. Union also fight for unfair dismissal and provides job security by promoting employment practices. Union prioritize workers' safety and health, improving condition and reducing hazard. They offer legal advice, disciplinary hearing representative, and workplace dispute issue. By joining a trade union, we give workers a support system to overcome obstacles and ensure that we protect their rights.
If you have any further questions after today's meeting or need assistance in understanding any part of the discussion, please don't hesitate to reach me out. My role is to help both employees and management to navigate this process.
I'm pretty sure that this meeting is a good initiative to identify the issue in decline of union membership.
Thank you again everyone for joining this meeting. For further information, I will notice you all. Thank you. Meeting dismissed.